Hey people, so considering I have this whole philosophy of, speaking about Instagram pages that I think are really awesome. So there is this one page called the page is called Image Coach Shivani. And oh my god, like the lady who runs the page, besides being so warm and, I sent her a message on Instagram. No, see this young man, he's so busy. So she was so like her. When I watch her videos, I realize just how and why she has here 187K followers on Instagram. Because I mean, like her advice, she's like gorgeous, okay, like drop dead gorgeous. And that apart, she's just so the kind of career advice she offers, like she makes these tiny little videos on the three things she's learned in life, and how to prepare for an interview, and simple things about etiquette. And it's Image Coach Shivani, right? So wow, I mean, only after coming across a page like that, I realized that this in itself is so important. Yeah, I mean, see, all my image, how to, this thing I've learned from this guy, how to have an image, and that's why I'm like this. If only I had little more sense, I would try and actually consult with an image coach, because it is just so brilliant. I mean, so people, if y'all are on Instagram, you'll have to check out this page. It's called Image Coach Shivani, and it'll blow your mind. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.